Hello and welcome back to my channel IQD to USD Iraq's economy and the future of the Iraqi dinar. Key updates, insights, and predictions. Iraq's economy is undergoing significant transformations, with many analysts projecting promising growth in the coming years. One of the key indicators of this progress is the expected increase in the country's per capita GDP, as reported by the German statistics website, Statista. According to their estimates, Iraq's per capita GDP is anticipated to reach $6,000 annually by 2025. Even more impressive is the projected 14% annual growth rate between 2025 and 2029, adding approximately $971 each year. By 2029, the figure could reach $6,971, highlighting the country's accelerating economic momentum. While these numbers are still far from developed economies like the United States, where per capita GDP is forecasted to hit $89,700, the growth rate in Iraq suggests a strong recovery and expansion. This upward trajectory could have major implications for the value of the Iraqi dinar, IQD, and the overall currency exchange market. In this article, we'll explore Iraq's economic outlook, analyze the factors influencing the Iraqi dinar, and discuss whether now is the right time to exchange currency, or if waiting might yield better returns. Iraq's economic growth. What's driving the progress? 1. Economic diversification and investment initiatives. Iraq has long been dependent on oil exports, but efforts are being made to diversify the economy. Investments in infrastructure, agriculture, and tourism are gradually reducing the reliance on oil revenue. This diversification could make Iraq's economy more resilient and help strengthen the Iraqi dinar in the long run. 2. Foreign direct investment, FDI, and global partnerships. Iraq has been attracting foreign investments, especially from countries like China, Turkey, and Gulf nations. These investments are fueling infrastructure projects, trade agreements, and industrial expansion, all of which contribute to economic stability and a stronger currency. The role of technology and digital finance. With the rise of digital payment systems and banking reforms, Iraq is modernizing its financial sector. This shift towards cashless transactions could enhance transparency, reduce corruption, and improve the strength of the dinar. There is even speculation about a digital version of the Iraqi dinar, which could revolutionize Iraq's financial system. 4. Political stability and economic reforms. While Iraq has faced political and security challenges, recent government initiatives aim to improve economic governance, reduce inflation, and control currency fluctuations. If these reforms succeed, they could play a major role in stabilizing and strengthening the Iraqi dinar. The Iraqi dinar and exchange rate predictions. The value of the Iraqi dinar, IQD, has been a topic of great interest among investors, economists, and currency traders. A key concept that influences exchange rates is the managed float system, where a currency's value is allowed to fluctuate within a limited range. Current exchange rate projections. Based on recent analyses, the Iraqi dinar's value is expected to hover around $3.80, with possible fluctuations of plus or minus 10%. This suggests that the dinar may not surpass $4 until Iraq's 2025 budget period kicks in. This raises a crucial question. Should you exchange your dinars now or wait for a potential increase? Let's break this down. Currency exchange. Should you hold or sell? 1. The risk of waiting. Too long. Many people holding Iraqi dinars hope for a higher exchange rate before converting them into other currencies. However, timing the market is risky. Let's consider a scenario. Suppose the current exchange rate is $3.70 per dinar. You decide to wait, expecting it to rise to $4 or higher. Over the next few months, unexpected economic or political events cause the exchange rate to drop instead of rising. Now you regret not exchanging when the rate was higher. This is a common dilemma in currency trading. Waiting for the perfect moment can backfire if market conditions shift unexpectedly. 2. Understanding the 90-day window. Some currency exchanges operate within a 90-day exchange window, meaning that you have a defined period to exchange at a stable rate before potential market fluctuations. While this provides some security, exchange rates remain unpredictable, so acting at the right time is critical. Third, factors that could strengthen the dinar. Several indicators suggest that the Iraqi dinar could gain value in the future, including economic growth and diversification efforts, stronger trade partnerships and investments, government policies aimed at stabilizing inflation and currency fluctuations, the possibility of Iraq adopting a currency basket system, using multiple currencies for trade. However, for the dinar to reach significantly higher values, e.g. $5 plus per IQD, Iraq must first overcome challenges such as political instability, corruption, and reliance on oil exports. The role of a strong currency in Iraq's future: 1. Benefits for everyday Iraqis. A stronger Iraqi dinar would increase purchasing power and reduce inflation, making it easier for people to afford daily necessities. This could improve the standard of living and encourage long-term financial planning among citizens. 2.0 Boosting trade and foreign investment. If the dinar strengthens, Iraq could become a more attractive destination for international investors and businesses. This would create job opportunities, boost local industries, and encourage economic growth. 3. The potential of a digital dinar. With the global shift toward digital currencies, Iraq may consider introducing a digital version of the dinar. This would enhance financial transactions, increase security, and make currency exchange more efficient. Countries like China and the United Arab Emirates, UAE, have successfully launched digital currency initiatives. If Iraq follows suit, it could position itself as a technologically advanced economy in the Middle East. Lessons from other countries. Looking at Kuwait and the UAE, both nations have successfully strengthened their currencies by diversifying their economies beyond oil, encouraging foreign investment, implementing sound financial policies. If Iraq adopts similar strategies, the dinar could experience a long-term upward trajectory, making it a more valuable asset. However, Iraq must first address political instability and security concerns, as these remain major barriers to economic progress. Conclusion. What's next for the Iraqi dinar? Iraq's economy is on an upward path, and the growth in per capita GDP signals a positive future. The Iraqi dinar is becoming more stable, and if the government continues implementing strong economic policies, we could see the currency gain more strength. However, currency exchange is always unpredictable, and timing the market is difficult. If you are considering exchanging your dinars, weigh the risks carefully. While waiting for higher rates may seem tempting, there's always the chance that unforeseen events could push the exchange rate down instead of up. A cautious and well-informed approach is essential. Final thoughts. The Iraqi economy is improving, but challenges remain. The dinar's value may rise, but predicting exact rates is uncertain. If you are holding Iraqi dinars, consider market trends and act wisely. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to share it and join the discussion in the comments. What do you think about Iraq's economic future? Will the Iraqi dinar become a stronger currency in the coming years? Let's explore these possibilities together.